Let's recite the final name and motto. A. The Advent message to all the world in this generation. Motto. With the love of Christ constrains us.
Let us raise our right hand and recite the final pledge of love. Yes, may the grace of God will be pure and kind and true. I will keep the Pathfinder law. I will be a servant of God and a friend to man. The Pathfinder law is for me to keep the morning watch, do my honest step, care for my body, keep my life alive, be conscious and obedient, walk on in the sanctuary, keep us all around, go on God's guidance.
Alright, so thank you so much to our participants. Francis Ray Fernandez. Then followed by the pledge and the law by A.M. Moto by Isaiah Franquilor and pledge and the law by E.J. Luke Malubay. Then after those parts, we will be hearing a welcome remarks by our very own school principal, Master Guy Julie M. Minovia. Then after her part, we will be hearing a beautiful song to be rendered to us by Senator siblings. Then after their part, before our speaker will speak to us, I do believe it's very inspiring message. There will be a short introduction by Master Guy Mildred Velasco. Then our speaker, I'm not going to mention his name right now because he will be introduced later. Then after the message, there will be an introduction song by Josh Seda. Then after that, the most awaiting part of the program is the pinning of the badge or the insignia to be presented by all Master Guys. Okay, first the little school. And of course, last week we had our children's crusade, but we had also our what we call that one, quiz bee. And among all of the pupils, they only have 4. 1 perfect score and 3 1 mistake. Okay, so you will know who are those lucky kids later. Then after that, the charge by Master Guy Jezreel Panes. So after the charge, we'll be given the time to Master Guy Julie M. Minovia to give.
There's no way out. But God's momentum and time in your hand will take care of you. And you'll do it again. You'll do it again. Just take a look at where you are now and where you've been. Well, hasn't He always come through for you? Just say now and then. Oh, you may not know how, you may not know when, but you'll do it again. He's the God